ahead, try to call her over there, but she like, drop it down to the floor. I'm like, Johnny, you should go, but she like, all up on me, I want her on.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nah, and if you're new here, make sure you're subscribed. Today we're starting on freshly manicured nails. I cleaned up my cuticles and stuff. And today we're going to be talking about a little bit of tea, you know. So I got these nails from AliExpress and whatnot. They're really cute. They're supposed to be extra long, you know, coffin nails. As you know, I'm a dupe girl, so I paid real cheap for these nails, okay? So they're supposed to be dupes to like the 1, 2, 3 go nails, because they're the only people that have had the extra long. Apres just came out with the extra long, which I will be purchasing to review. And I just wanted to show you guys how they look on my nail. To me, the apex is a bit out of place, so I'll share with you why that's important later. I'm just going to compare them to the length of the square long Apres nails that had a defect. So I guess they were a little too long. So I'll be comparing those, and I'll be comparing them to my nykirah nails that I usually use. So as you can see, these nails are long. So on the left is the Apres nail. On the right is the AliExpress nail. These nails are so long, like so long. And I picked the same size. So of course the, coffin ones seem to be a little more smaller in size than the Apres nails. But I mean, you pay for what you get. And these are them next to the nykirah nails. The nykirah nails are technically long, so these extra longs are perfect. They look really good. And yeah, I'm just going to buff the outside cuticle part of the nail so that it lays flush to the nail and it looks really natural. And doing this also ensures that, it's sticking. So as you can see, it lays flat, and I'm showing you the length. It's really long, y'all. It's so long. I felt real good after doing my nails. But I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit while I do this part. So I ordered from enailcouture, and I don't know why my order's not here yet. It's been about 3 months, and yeah, and I just don't. Obviously, that's my song, but I don't know where my package is. So apparently, they've had a back order of packages, and then there's been so much drama with the owner and all this other stuff. I didn't know that until after I purchased these tips, and I bought close to $100 worth of stuff, and it's been 3 months, and I've yet to receive my package. So with that being said, like, I ordered these tips from AliExpress maybe a month after my package didn't come, and they came within 2 weeks. So I'm just like, if something can be sent from China in 2 weeks, you can send something from the United States. I don't know if he's in California or what, in that much time. Like, come on now. Like, I understand, being a small business and stuff, it gets backed up, but 3 months? Are you serious? You should have stopped production. You should have stopped selling so that you can catch up with production. And that's that, period. Like, and that's the tea with that. And then apparently he called a black woman ratchet or ghetto or something. He said, I'm no longer supporting that brand, so I'm sorry that I spent my money there. And y'all, I'm really like disturbed finding all of this out after I purchased this, and I've been wanting to talk about it and stuff, but I've been trying to give people the benefit of the doubt. My package is still not here. It's been almost 3 months. Like, I ordered this, it's August. Yeah, I ordered this beginning of June, and we're midway through August, so it's almost going on 3 months. So yeah, I would not order from them ever again. Not because of just, you know, the unprofessionalism and the wait time, but just how the owner carries himself. So that's just the tea on that. But I didn't go into detail because I wanted to talk about enailcouture. But these nails are so beautiful, y'all. But my only issue is they are not sturdy at all. So I didn't show it, but I applied a rubber base before I did my gel thing so that I could pop these off and do another video. That's just how it works in the YouTube world. You just need to pop them off, do another video. They looked so good, but they were not sturdy. So even when I use gel base, sometimes I have to actually peel it off, but they just actually popped off in my shower. So usually when I use gel base with my apres tips and or my dupe tips, and I'm trying to, you know, push out videos for you guys, I'm usually around like the end of the day having to peel them off to do the next video. These popped off when I got in the shower. So that just lets me know that they aren't sturdy like I thought they were. And I could just tell the flimsiness of the nail and stuff like that. But these were beautiful. I can't say, like, if you're into like doing press on nails, these would be a great option. They're beautiful for that, but these are not apres Gel X dupe material. So, and I didn't mind wasting my money because it was only like, it was so cheap. Y'all, it was so cheap. I'm going to try to insert the price somewhere along these lines. So they were so cheap, and I just decided to do a cute bubblegum pink nail with a pixie dust pinky, and I had one glitter nail, and I just wanted to do it just for video purposes. Like, it just looks so pretty, and I wanted to try it out for you guys. But like I said, when I'm using rubber base, when I'm recording multiple videos in one day on nails, I usually have to peel the nail off. These popped off. So that just right there lets me know, yeah, these weren't the best nails, but if you do like make press on nails, I would definitely use this. But back to everything else. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to file like a dispute with my bank to get my money back, because I don't even want the package anymore. If it comes, 9 times out of 10, I will not review it on my channel because I don't even want to give it any more press than I am today off the issue. But just know that we need to stop shopping with people that disrespect us and have no respect for anyone but themselves. Like, and I only bought it because I watched one review of somebody using their products and they were raving about them. But looking further into it, that person really thrives off of clout and attention. So they're getting sent free products, so they're going to say whatever is on their mind, and they're not going to address the meat of the situation, which is they're sending you free products in a week or two, and the rest of us are waiting 3-4 months to get stuff. I've had people in my comments in my previous videos, when we're just chatting about nails, tell me, yeah, I didn't get my package for almost 2 months, 4 months. And I'm like, okay, so that's my fault for not doing enough research. But just know, you fooled me once, you'll never fool me again. That's just that. And I wanted to come on here and rant on this video because shout out to AliExpress. Like, they're out here doing the Lord's work with these tips. And like, I feel like these will work better for people with flat, natural nail beds. Mine are a little sculpted, but I had the same issue with the nykirah scab, them not lasting. So if I was to try to make these last without using the rubber base, I doubt I would even get a few days out of them, just because of the length. Where the apex is, the apex was closer. The apex was past where my natural nail was, which does not help with strength. The apex needs to be a little bit where your natural nail starts, just a little bit back. So like where the middle of your nail is, your apex needs to be starting. My apex was just now starting with these nails on towards the end of my natural nail, which does not, give me any type of coverage or strength to my nail. So with that being said, like, I love these nails. I would totally purchase them to make press-ons. I would totally encourage other people to try them out because they're so cheap and they might work for you, but they didn't work for me. Same thing with the nykirah Sky nails. I'm an Apres Macart BT Arc Box girl. Those have been the ones that have worked for me in my nail bed specifically. So working with Gel X is mainly learning how to work with your nail bed and what works for you. With that being said, I'm so grateful and thankful that you guys came to just listen to me rant and talk on this video. Give you guys a tea on what's going on in the nail community, and I've been incorporating me taking pictures into my videos now because it seems like you guys like that, and just show you guys how to get thumbnails and stuff like that. That's all I have. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so grateful. I love you all. You guys have been great. You've been showing so much love, and I'll have something really soon for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you later.